Hello and welcome. This video gives you a concise summary of everything covered in week 3, highlighting the major milestones from Unit 7 and Unit 8. Unit 7 opened with an exploration of the fast-growing opportunities shaping digital entrepreneurships across Asia. Rising mobile-first populations, expanding digital access, and region-wide connectivity are creating fertile conditions for innovative business models to emerge. The discussion then moved to how digitalizations transform value chains, data-driven operations, automation, and new form of online engagement are enabling startups to deliver products faster, personalize service and operate with greater efficiency. Alongside these opportunities, Unit 7 also highlighted the challenges entrepreneurs must navigate. Issues such as uneven infrastructure, market competition, regulatory complexity, and the difficulty of building trust in online environment form part of region's ongoing digital maturity journey. A broader look at Asia's digital landscape revealed a region defined by rapid economic expansions, young and tech-savvy populations, and strong government investment. These factors make Asia one of the most dynamic and competitive digital markets in the world. The unit concluded by synthesizing the major opportunities and risks for digital businesses. While supportive policies and booming digital markets create momentum, entrepreneurs must also manage challenges such as talent shortages, fragmented regulations, and competition from the global peer. Unit 8 shifted attention to the concept of digital intelligence, emphasizing the combination of technical capability, ethical awareness, and responsible engagement with digital technologies. The evolution of digital intelligence was traced from basic digital awareness to the advanced competencies required to navigate AI-driven environments, collaborate virtually, and make informed decisions in the complex digital spaces. Emerging technologies took center stage next, particularly automation and generative AI. These systems are reshaping productivity, creativity, and strategic decision making while introducing new forms of collaborations between humans and intelligent systems. The rise of low-code or no-code platforms demonstrated how software creation is becoming more accessible. These tools allow non-technical users to design applications quickly, supporting innovation inside startups, enterprises, and community organizations. A deeper dive into cloud computing, edge computing, and the Internet of Things revealed how these technologies form the backbone of modern digital infrastructure. Together, they enable real-time analytics, smart automations, and more resilient digital ecosystem. The emergence of digital twins and the metaverse illustrated how immersive, data-rich environments are transforming industries from manufacturing to healthcare through simulation, visualization, and new modes of interaction. Lastly, the unit brought together foundational technologies including cybersecurity, big data, and blockchain. These systems strengthen transparency, protect digital assets, and support trust in increasingly interconnected environment. By completing Unit 7 and 8, you gained a clear understanding of both opportunities and challenges shaping digital entrepreneurship in Asia. as well as technologies driving the future of digital business. Thank you.